Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Nick Fuentes, the far-right political commentator and online personality who has made plenty of headlines over the years. But among all the controversy, a question that keeps popping up online is Nick Fuentes gay? Let's break it all down. Nick Fuentes is best known as a political live streamer and activist. He rose to prominence in the late 2010s as the face of a movement often described as the America First faction. Fuentes has built his brand on his commentary about politics, culture, and identity, though he remains one of the most polarizing figures on the internet. The speculation about Fuentes' sexuality largely comes from internet chatter. Over the years, some critics and online communities have accused him of being closeted or hiding his true orientation, often mocking him in memes and videos. A few of his own controversial comments about relationships, women, and dating have only added fuel to the rumors. However, none of this has ever been backed up with credible evidence. Is Nick Fuentes gay? No, there is no proof that Nick Fuentes is gay. He has never identified as such, nor has he confirmed any same-sex relationships. The rumors exist mostly as part of the online culture wars and attempts by opponents to discredit him or poke fun at his persona. Publicly, Fuentes has only talked about his political views, not about having partners or relationships. Nick Fuentes remains one of the most talked about internet personalities, and with that level of attention comes constant speculation about his private life. But when it comes to his sexuality, there's no real evidence to suggest he's gay. Most of it is internet rumor, not fact.